Hi guys, welcome back. Now, once your account has been created and I have approved your account, what you are going to do is basically go back to ClassDojo. Now, this time around, instead of clicking on sign up, you are going to click on login. Now, of course, you're a teacher. Now, this time around, I am going to use my school email. So if I can spell my last name correctly. I'm going to use my school email so I can go ahead and show you how to archive previous classes if you have used ClassDojo before, and how to create new classes for those of you that have not used ClassDojo before. So once you log in, you are going to basically see this dashboard. Here, for those of you that have used ClassDojo, you are going to see your previous classes listed or displayed here. This is my class from last year. So for those of you that used it last year, all you have to do is go to this turning wheel, click on it, click on Finish Class, archive it, done, archive class, and that will basically remove all of the students that you had last year and will give you a chance to go ahead and add a new class. Now, if you're brand new to ClassDojo, your dashboard is going to look just like this, okay? So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and click on Add Class. You can go ahead and choose a different icon to represent your class if you want to change it to the earth, soccer ball, whatever. So I'm going to leave it as the book. Come up with a name for your class. I'm going to just name it 2018-2019. And of course, the grade level that you teach. Add class. Now, once you get to this part, you can go ahead and import your students, as I mentioned earlier, or you can go ahead and type in their names. Now, the system will ask you for a whole, to type in their whole first name and last name. I don't like to enter their last name. So what I do, I just write their first initial and then add student. Let's say that you have Susie here, and that will be Susie F, John B, and Peter A. All right, so once you enter all 2025 students, what you are going to do is basically just scroll down, done adding students. Now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and change this option to share all points. You want parents to go ahead and see all points that are given or taken away from their child. Now, it is recommended to leave it on share positive points, but I like to share all points. That will be up to you. Okay, now once you go to the next step is the invites. You'll be able to go ahead and share and print some paper invites for the parents. Now, these invites are going to allow the parents to go ahead and download the app and then enter their code so they can go ahead and receive daily and weekly notifications about their child's behavior at school. Now, as you can see here at the bottom, I'm given the option of opening a document. This document is basically going to give me the option of printing an invite with the code for the parents to download the app. Now, as you can see here at the top is Peter's invite. So I will print all of this and I will go ahead and give them to the parents on open house, or you can go ahead and send it home later. It's up to you. If you have time before open house, do that. If not, send it home on the first day of school. So this basically walks the parent through the 3 simple steps that they have to do. They have to go to their app store, download ClassDojo, which by the way is free, and then enter their code. Once they enter the code, then they'll be receiving daily and weekly notifications about their child's behavior. What I also do, I usually save this document just in case that I might need the codes later. So you might want to do the same. Now, once your class is set up, you are going to see basically all of your students here display. And what I'll do, I'll go ahead and talk a little bit more about the different features on the page on the next video. But for now, that's basically how you add your students and create your class.